The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, automatic stability control, keyless entry, clock, power door locks, trip odometer, power windows, tachometer, power driver mirror, power outlet, cup holders, vanity mirrors, rear spoiler, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.